Daming nangyayari guys ha. Daming nangyayari. Meron sila ng blanket na gusto ko. Yan. Guys, Logie so mad. Guys, Merry Christmas! Ayan yung mga gifts namin. Guys, Merry Christmas! So, mag-film na kami ng vlog namin para sa Christmas morning vlog. Guys, aftermath. Aftermath. Taran. Ayan. Ang kalat namin. Guess what, guys? Today is the 26th and magba-boxing day kami. Mamimili si Mama. Magka-shopping siya. So, maghahanap kami ng mga last-minute gifts din. Yung mga trip pa naming bilhan. Tapos, ayun lang. Tapos kung ano makita namin. Ayun. Nakabili na ako, guys. Nag-warm up na ako kagabi. Bumili ako ng album na half price. 19 lang. Ay, 17 nga lang kasi half price na siya. Tapos may discount ng $2.
Layo naman.
Ikaw,
wala pa
pang nasa start. Ako meron na. May game plan na tayo. Tapos chinek ko na yung mga sales ng mga item. I mean, hindi sale ng item. Sale ng stores kung worth it, diba? So, pupuntahan mo yung mga sale muna bago yung mga hindi sale. Ano pa lang ngayon, guys? 8:37, maaga pa. Kasi nga, baka yung parking wala na. So, maaga kami umaalis. 9 nang bukas. 8:30 pa lang bukas, actually. So, bukas na yung stores na yun. Pero, yung mismo mall bukas pa yung ibang stores, hindi pa. But, I'm gonna take you Boxing Day shopping with us. Bye-bye. Guys, we got here na. Nakahanap kami ng parking, in fairness. Madami pa. Anong oras na? 9:27. Dyan eh.
At least bago ako marating dun, malinis.
So, we're here. We got here 9:27 na guys ngayon. And, ayun, medyo marami ng tao in fairness. Kahit umaga pa lang. Kasi normally, diba, mga 2 na sila dumarating, 11, ganyan. Di guys, Manila!
Dito sa Manila.
Actually guys, in fairness, hindi pa siya masyadong busy ngayon. As you can see, ayan pa siya ngayon. Mamaya siguro. Kaka-start pa lang kasi ng mga shops. Kami ng Miniso. Ano ba yan? Ginawa ko nga rin. Malamig dito. Miniso. Ano meron sa Miniso? Tingnan mo na tayo sa Miniso.
Miniso daw muna.
Blind box. Ay, may ano na sila. Look. May ano. Ang dami na. Look, mas marami na silang. I wanted this. Oh my God, guys. Wala nang mang na mirror. Mang na mirror. Ano na lang. Tata, Koya, and Shuki. Ay, ito. Need ko ng ganito. Need ko ba ng ganito? Cable. Meron sila ng blanket na gusto ko. Ito kasi Mang. Saan? Ma, look! Ma! Meron sila ng blanket na gusto ko. Yeah. Blanket siya sa loob. I found this cord. Finish at Miniso. Ay, hindi mo na i-design ng kwarto si, damage done. Actually, maganda yung sale nila ngayon. Kasi normally hindi sila nagsisale.
Okay, Mark.
Daming nangyayari guys ha. Daming nangyayari.
Coat
type. Ay, wala sila masyadong sale siguro. Walang tao. Up to lang naman. Mga up to. So, I wanted to buy a gift here para sa pinsan ko. Kaya lang, wala na yung gusto ko. Na kasi nag-sale. Naubos na ata.
May laptop.
Meron akong ganyan, di ba? Puti. Hindi. Ano to? Ah, socks. Cute. Cute naman. Yung sale yung maliit eh. Yung ganon. This is another one. Pero hindi ata to sale. Wala siyang tag eh. Hello Kitty. I used to play this a lot. Wala. Okay. Nothing for typo.
Andito na yung mga bowl.
Yeah. Wala eh. Wala yung mga gusto ko eh.
Off
To a new store which is Strand Bags naman. Puro mga bags.
Hindi ka pagbabawalan mag-video siya.
Sa Kato Philippines, kasi ang pake. They're getting paid the minimum wage. So, we're looking at wallets for nanay.
Wallet ba o bag?
Or ewan namin. Ano bang bibili namin, guys? Comment down below. So, we're stuck between this one and then one of those. Kasi di ba, baka daw to medyo pang bata. Found another contender. Ito, cute. I like this. I would wear this actually.
Ikipot lang na.
Kami. Guys, tingnan nyo. Christmas tree na kami ni Papa. Tingnan mo pa, makita mo. Christmas tree na tayo.
Ay, ito ba yun?
Ano, options. Damage done, guys. Damage done. Damage done. Store. I bought this online last night. I'm looking for the blue one of this na sealed, pero wala lagi. Cherish my love. Cherish my love. Actually, wala masyadong sale dito. Ano lang, pag 100. May happy na sila. How much is it? 56. Nabili ko lang to ng ano guys, 19. Pero hindi ko pa sure kung anong version makukuha ko. Sometimes meron sila ditong mga cute na trinkets. Na mga kung ano-ano. Pero I don't think they've restocked. Picket fans. Jimin. Puro Jimin.
I'm buying adapters for my Japan. I mean, portable chargers.
And I was like, there's so many people. We're at JB Hi-Fi. I was gonna look for an SD card. I don't know where it is.
I'm gonna buy an adapter.
Okay. Did you find your thing? Your pink thing? Your
Oh
charger?
yeah, it was in my mom's bag.
I was like, it's there. I saw it. Okay, I'm gonna look for SD cards. Hi, would I be able to get the 256 gig? That one? The SD card? Thank you. Thank you. I got it. The SD card. Sobrang daming tao kanina to sa JB Hi-Fi. Buti na lang SD card lang bibili ko. Eh, nasa counter lang mali. So, diretso na ako. Buti hindi mahaba. W Cosmetics. Soothing cream. 22. Sunscreen. Sunscreen. Guys, I wanted to try this. Yung honey shampoo. Ma, try natin to. So, we got the goods. Ayan lang yung nabili namin. Yung isa dito sa amin. So, nagtingin kami ng shirts kasi, ano na lang siya? 15. Dati siyang 20. So, yeah. Nantok ako. So, we're currently in line. Haba ng pila guys. Hindi naman sino nabili namin. $59.
Mahal nga na rin.
Ayan, like it. Tapos next time, wala na naman. Pagbalik ko dito. Yun yung pinaka-regret ko, yung pants. Hindi ko binili ng ibang colors. Ayan na guys, yung situation ngayon. As of, anong oras na ngayon? 1:14, kaya nakadami tao. So, we're gonna take a photo. Photo po kami. Mamimili lang kami ng props ngayon. Charan! Yeah, we're done. Done. Really happy.
Good na.
Antok na ako guys. May work kami lahat before. Guys, I was low-key so mad kasi kanina, di ba, nakita nyo, nag-photo booth kami. So, nag-photos kami sa photo booth. Okay. So, nag-photos kami dun sa photo booth. And may binigyan kami ng physical copies ng photos. Diba? Kasi yun nga talaga, diba? Yun yung purpose ng photo booth. Para may photos ka na photo strip. Kaso, guys, nawala namin yung binigay sa amin na photo strip. Binigyan pa kami ng 2 extra ni ate. Yung 4 na copies namin ng photo strip. Nawala. Hindi namin alam kung saan napunta. So, baka naiwan namin doon or what. Nailapag, nahulog or what. Pero I was so frustrated. Like, I may have shed a bit of tears because of it. But nakaka-frustrate kasi. Nawala siya. And, yeah. Pala ko pa naman ilagay yun sa keychain ko. Yung photos na yun. So, nainis talaga ako. So, pag uwi ko talaga dito, inis na inis talaga ako. As in, super inis ako. But, nakakainis talaga. Buti na lang, na-videohan ko siya. So, yung QR code na gamit ko para makuha yung digital copy. So, I do have the digital copy. I have the digital copy. But I don't have the physical copy. Which annoys me so much kasi I paid for that. I paid for the physical copy. Tapos mawawala lang. But, anyways, kaya ayun, na-delay na yung haul natin. I was meant to do this haul as soon as I got home. Kaya lang, sobrang na-frustrate talaga ako. As in, super na-frustrate ako. Let's do this haul. Ay, charan. Okay. So, let's start with, actually ito, let's start with this one. Dahil need ko to, bumili ako ng SD card. I got the SanDisk Extreme Pro para dito sa camera ko, sa DJI ko. Kasi may pupuntahan kami sa January and I don't wanna be switching out or kind of, tawag dito, palit-palit ng SD card, tapos delete ng delete. Yung ibang binili namin are for gifts, so I'm not gonna show it. But, eto, bumili kami ng skincare. Actually, hair care pala to. So, I got this Honey Melty Repair Oil and Honey Melty Moist Repair Oil na hair oil. This was $32, pero dahil sale yun, $25.60 na lang siya. So, ayan, we save a bit. So, we went to Miniso. So, sa Miniso, ang deal nila doon is pag bumili ka ng 2 items, you get 20% off on both items. First thing that I got is, of course, this one that you saw earlier. Itong si Mang na plush, tawag dito, plush, blanket. Ayan. So, ayan siya. I forgot how much this is. Pero, parang $40 ata to or 38. Tapos, ano siya? 20% off. So, ganyan siya, guys. Pag binuksan mo, tapos, ano siya? Blanket. Ayan. Isa siyang malaking blanket. Ayan. I don't know if you can see, but yeah, it's a blanket. So, and as for the second item, para maka 20% off ako on both items, I just got this cable cord thingy majiggy. I might bring this to uni once uni starts. Kasi lifesaver tong mga cord na ganito. So, ayan. So, si Mang to. Super cute niya lang. Ayan. So, the next thing that I got are these BT21 blind boxes. So, dalawa to. And this was, anong receive ko? So, this was $21. Pero, nabili ko lang siya ng $16. So, a bit of savings on them. Okay. And then, I'll show you all the clothes that I got. So, let's start with Uniqlo. So, the first thing that I got is this brown, parang sweat pants. Ayan, hindi to sale guys, pero I just really like it. Ayan, naghahanap talaga ako ng ganito matagal na. Kasi bumili ako ng ganito, something similar from Uniqlo, pero black naman yun. And lagi ko siyang gamit na gamit, as in everyday. Everyday, pag tinatamad ako magsuot, lalo na no winter, yun lang talaga suot ko lagi. So, I got this. So, these ones, ano lang siya, $14, $15 na lang siya, dati siyang $17. Medyo sale lang, dati pala siyang $20. Ayan, $15 na lang siya. I got this normal shirt lang na parang navy blue. Because I think it looks good on me, this kind of color. Yung mga parang deep colors. Then I got this green one. Green. Ayan. So, hindi na naman sale. But I just got these trousers na yung parang soft. Ayan, soft trousers. Ayan. The last store that I got stuff from is Cotton On. Ito ata yung pinakamarami kong nabili sa Cotton On. Around all of the things that I bought. I got this parang top. Shirt lang din kasi diba need ko ng mga shirt na ganito. So ayan siya. Shirt lang siyang ganyan. Ganyan. Black. Pero backless sa likod. So hopefully wala akong back knee. But ayan siya. So I got some gym shorts. Pero may dumi pa lang ngayon nakuha ko, actually. So, I got this purple one. It's 15. Dati siyang 30. So, half. And then, I got another one. This one, nakalagay sa kanya, 15 lang. Pero, nung pinan siya, it was actually 20. Nakita ko sa resibo. But, I just didn't bother going back and saying na 15 siya. Kasi may binili na akong same style. Ito naman, parang periwinkle. Same style ng gym shorts. Pero ito naman, 20. So, sabi ko, baka na mali lang to. Kasi 20 din to eh. I got this dress. It's just a long, parang straight brown dress. Ayan siya guys. Straight brown dress lang. And this is 20. Dati siyang 40. Got this parang tankini na top. Just in case mag-swimming kami or may pool dun sa hotel na pupuntahan namin. This sports bra for the gym. I don't even know if it fits me. But it's only 20. Dati siyang, I don't know how much. 50 siya ngayon. 20 na lang. And then last but not the least, I got this Cotton On blue kind of shades. Wala lang, cute niya lang. So, this is only $5. Dati siyang 20. $5 na lang. Yun yung tsura niya. Ang ganda kasi sa kulay. Tapos, perfect siya pang ganyan lang, diba? Pang arte-arte lang. So, yeah. That's everything I bought during Boxing Day. Actually, I think I did better this year than the last few years. Kasi last year, parang hindi namin masyado siyang sineryoso. Parang namili lang talaga kami ng kung ano-ano. Hindi kami naghanap ng sale. Kasi parang tinamad kami. But I'm happy that I actually got things on sale. Like these shorts. I had so much fun at Cotton On. Kaya lang sobrang daming tao doon. But all for my Boxing Day, Christmas preparation, whatever, bonanza vlog. I hope you enjoyed this video. And thank you so much for watching and staying till the end. Bye-bye. Crazy like kaleidoscope, blurring my vision, lead me on with invisible. Oh, you give me just enough to hold.